Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start at the battery bay because most screws hide there. Remove the batteries and the battery cover, then lift out the battery tray. You'll see the first screw. Use a T8 Torx if you have an Xbox One/Series controller. Some older models use small Phillips. Once done, keep screws separated in a tray so you don't confuse lengths, and make sure to work on a flat, well-lit surface to avoid losing anything. After removing the battery area, you'll need to expose hidden screws under labels or rubber pads. That's why you pry gently. Use a plastic spudger or fingernail to lift stickers and adhesive-backed rubber grips. Metal tools can gouge the shell. Once exposed, remove each screw in sequence and place them in order so you remember their positions. Screw lengths often differ between the front and back. Make sure to photograph the layout. With visible screws removed, pry the front and back shells apart slowly because ribbon cables and triggers can catch. Lift the halves while watching for the front PCB ribbon. Disconnect it by sliding the connector latch before fully separating. To reassemble, reverse the order. Seat the PCB, reconnect ribbons, and hand start screws to avoid cross-threading. If something won't come apart, recheck for overlooked screws or heat the shell briefly. Forcing components risks stripping screws or breaking plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.